Hey, this is Bad Tuna Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I finally received my bike stand for two of my Lectric XP bikes. And the box is slightly heavy, but here it is. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, that was quick. The box just came apart just with one cut. Anyway, let's see. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we got this is the, I think this is for the legs, and then we did have the actual tripod. Yeah, this is the actual tripod design. Okay, let's just take that out and put it off to the side. I'll put it together later, and then we've got another piece here. Take this apart. I think this is the mount to hold the bike in place. And then what we got here is another the shaft that obviously will go in this tripod. And let's see what else we got. This, I think this is for locking the front wheel in place when you have the bike on the maintenance stand, on the stand, so that you can do maintenance on the front wheel. Okay, I think that's what I saw. Again, this is for the legs, the bottom section, and this is, we'll see, I'll put it together and then we can test it out with the bike mounted on the stand. Okay, so let's put it together. Most important part though I forgot is the instructions. So it does come in instructions, so you don't have to worry about guessing, unless this is made in China. So there's the instructions. The back, as you can see how it would look with the bike mounted on the stand. So okay, there you go. So you won't be lost, just follow the instructions and you can easily put this thing together. Okay, I've got the bike stand all assembled. As you can see, it's not really a tripod. They call it a tripod, but it's not, because it has 4 legs. So that looks pretty sturdy. Again, there's a couple adjustments. This one here is to lock into the frame of the bike. This one you can slide this thing forward and back, and this one you can adjust the shaft. You want to go higher, lower, but for me I just stay about right there in the bottom. And then again, you have a maintenance tray to put your nuts and bolts as you do your maintenance on your bike. So not bad. I got the stand again for my 2 Lectric XP bikes right there. I got it because I got a flat. I had a flat on this bike here, and what I did was use this slime liquid or tube sealant, and it works very well. So if you want to know how to install this thing, there's a lot of YouTube videos that show this product. So I'll put that in the link on the bottom of my video. So okay, I got the bike on the stand, and what came along with the bike stand is this accessory. It's a locking device to lock the front wheel. As you can see, it turns. So if you want to do some maintenance and you need this wheel locked, this thing does the job. So basically what you do, you just kind of wrap this thing around like so, if you can see that. Okay, that part is done. And then you do the same on this side. Hope you can see this. There's an adjustment here. Lock it in place. There you go. And put the strap around it. Make it a lot easier if I did it the right way. Here we go. There. And lock that in place. Like so. Oh, that thing broke. Oh, cheap. Look at that. What a rip. Anyway. That's not good. So we'll just go ahead and just put this one and that one there. It should work anyway, so. Alright. So you lock that in place. Like so. And unfortunately this thing had broke, so I'm gonna have to call the company or the vendor to get a replacement there. But you get the gist of this locking device to lock the wheel in place, so you can do some maintenance without the wheel moving on you. Alright, so if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.